As we know, written down value method and straight line method are the two common type of depreciation computation, and in the previous video we have discussed the rate of depreciation which is applicable under written down value method. Through this video, let us try to explain the rate of depreciation which is applicable for computation of profits and gains of business or profession as per the Income Tax Act 1961 according to section 32. Let us see what is the rate of depreciation under straight line method. Provision relating to the computation of depreciation under straight line method are: an undertaking engaged in generation and distribution of power at its option may claim depreciation under either on straight line method or under written down value method on assets acquired on or after 1st April 1997, where the assessee opts that the depreciation be allowable on written down value method. The option should be exercised before the due date of furnishing the return under section 139(1). Such options, once exercised, shall be final and shall apply to all the subsequent assessment years. The aggregate depreciation allowed in respect of any asset for different assessment year shall not exceed the actual cost of the asset. Under the sale of an asset, if it is at a loss, when a building, machinery, plant and furniture on which the depreciation has been claimed is sold, discarded, demolished or destroyed in the previous year, other than the previous year in which it is first brought into use, the amount of depreciation shall be the amount by which the money payable in respect of such asset together with the amount of scrap value, if any, fall short of the written down value thereof. The deduction shall be allowed if the deficiency is actually written off in the books of the assessee. If an asset is sold or discarded in the previous year in which it is first brought into use, the loss shall be treated as short-term capital loss. When the aforesaid asset is sold at a profit, discarded, demolished or destroyed, and the money payable in respect of such asset together with the amount of scrap value, if any, exceeds the written down value, the excess shall be treated as A. The excess up to the amount of depreciation claimed is income from business, and the excess over the cost shall be chargeable as capital gain. So if it is sold for profit, then it to be dealt in two ways. To the extent of the amount of depreciation charged in the previous years shall be treated as business income, and above that will be treated as capital gain. As per the notification, the rate of depreciation for plant and machinery in generating stations including plant foundation, hydroelectric, then it is 3.4. Steam electric, NHRS, and waste heat recovery boilers or plants, it is 7.84. And diesel electric and gas plant, it is 8.24. Cooling and circulating water system, it is 7.84. Hydraulic works forming part of hydroelectric system including dams, spillway, weirs, canals, reinforced concrete flumes, siphon
1.95%.
reinforced concrete pipelines and surge tanks, sluice gate, steel surge or tanks, hydraulic control valves and hydraulic works. The rate of depreciation is 3.4%. Buildings and civil engineering works of permanent character not mentioned above, maybe office and showrooms containing thermoelectric generating plant, containing hydroelectric generating plant, temporary erections such as wooden structures, roads other than kacha roads, others the rate of depreciation respectively 3.02, 7.84, 3.40, 33.40, 3.02 and 3.02. Transformers, transformer substation equipment and other fixed apparatus including planned foundations. The rate of depreciation for transformers including planned foundations having a rating of 100 kilowatt ampere and over, it is 7.81 percentage, and others it is 7.84 percentage. Switchgear including cable connections 7.84, lightning arrestor station type 7.84, pole type 12.77, synchronous condensers 5.27, batteries it is 33.40, underground cables including joint box and disconnected box it is 5.27, cable duct system 3.02, and overhead lines including supports, lines on fabricated steels operating at a normal voltage higher than 66 kilowatt, it is 5.27, lines of steel supports operating a nominal voltage higher than 13.2 kilowatt but not exceeding 66 kilowatt, it is 7.84 percentage. Lines on steel or reinforced concrete support, it is 7.84 percentage. Lines on treated wood support, this is also 7.84 percentage. Meters, it is 12.77. Self-propelled vehicles, it is 33.40. Air conditioning plant static, it is 12.77. Portable, it is 33.40. And with regard to the office furniture fittings, office equipments, internal wiring including fittings and apparatus, street light fittings, all covers single rate of depreciation, that is 12.77. Apparatus later on higher other than motors, it is 33.40, and for motor it is 12.77. Communication equipments, radio and high frequency carrier system 12.77, and telephone lines and telephones also the same rate. Any other assets not covered in the above categories, it is 7.69 percentage.
Hope you understood the different rate of depreciation chargeable under straight line method, and please remember that this method could be adopted only by power generating and distributing industries. Thank you very much for watching my channel. If this video is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in the contact. Thank you very much.